it should be a connectivity between your database and your main Linux operating system. Because if you have to take the backup of the database tables and all, there also you can use shell scripting. You can run some kind of a script, right, to insert query, to select query, right, to update query and all. There are many, even in my current project also, there are requirements where they need specifically DBA, okay, because DevOps engineer is not able to do that. But being a DevOps engineer, I said DevOps is a way of working, right? DevOps is a culture, Bhavya, okay? So people are still not understanding, oh no, if I learn some tool, I'll become DevOps. No, it's not like that. It's a journey, okay? You need to understand. You need to start from Linux. That is your base, that is your foundation. When you are confident enough, just start adding things onto it, like your automation. That is the first priority. That is something scripting or Python or something, so you can start automating your environment. Third thing is that immediately that you should know about your DB, because that is we are encountering on a daily basis. Database, application, operating system, these things you can encountering on a daily basis, Bhavya, right? Now, because since all the organization is moving to AWS, correct? I won't say it's AWS, it's any cloud, whether it's AWS cloud, Azure cloud, or GCP cloud. I have worked on all these three, so I am able to tell you, okay? So you can take at least one cloud and stick with that one. And please, because reason is on premises soon or later, I am telling, like after down the line or 5 years or 10 years, okay, it will be completely vanish. The reason behind that all, because infrastructure cost is increasing if you are working as an on-premises, right? So that should be there. So you should do one thing. Anyways, you are good in Linux. Now you are started doing shell scripting. You can see that course content is already there. And soon I am going to come up with Linux shell scripting interview question and answer also. Okay.
Oh, it's nice. Nice for me.
Okay, so that will be there. So plus database also I'm coming up. Okay, so DB also I'll produce the question and answer first, and then some kind of a course or something. I'm not a DB administrator, but my profile is like that. I have learned so many things within my career. Okay, so that is there, and then I would say like parallelly you should start doing cloud. Right?
Yeah, I have AWS cloud certification.
Okay, then it is very good. Okay, and then you start thinking of DevOps tools. Okay, because if I'll tell you directly, no, Bhavya, please go ahead and do it GitHub. No, it's